Sup, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Well, earlier watching Aretha Franklin's funeral and going grocery shopping, so that's all it is to it. So hopefully, folks, I'm gonna get a Nintendo Switch for Christmas. Okay. But anyway, that was a lovely funeral with Aretha Franklin. She was a wonderful singer, and we gonna really miss her. I mean that was so hard for me to believe, to hear about Aretha Franklin passing. So I remember in 2010 when Tina Marie died. So somebody posted on Facebook. Well, that was my first year ever having Facebook. Around the time when Tina Marie passed away, So anyway, my friend Janique. Well, I mentioned Janique in my show about 6 years ago. Okay, so anyway, she even thought Aretha Franklin passed away in 2010. But I was like, thank God she's still here with us, But I'm still kind of sad to hear about Aretha Franklin, hearing about Tina Marie, and I was totally shocked when I heard about Aaliyah. Aaliyah died in a plane crash in 2001. She died on my cousin Bradley's birthday. Okay, August 25th, 2001. That was my cousin Bradley's birthday, So, and then a year later, or was it 8 months later, I think, Lisa Left Eye Lopez from TLC. Left Eye from TLC passed away, Well, shall I say, got killed in a car wreck. Like Natina Reed from Black. I was shocked to hear about what happened to Natina Reed. I just couldn't believe that happened. So with that part, that my mom passed. And then YouTube sensation Messy Maya. I ain't know much of nothing about Messy Maya, So I don't know what else to say about Messy Maya because I ain't know him, I thought it was a she when I heard about Messy Maya until I saw, So he used the B word about 100 times in one video, in one setting, okay? So whoever it was he was talking about took it very, very to heart and literally, So that wasn't worth killing the person over, Whatever you're pissed off about, So anyway, as I was saying, folks, watching Aretha Franklin funeral on BET. But ABC News was doing a live footage of the funeral as well, not on ABC TV, But Fox News was filming John McCain's funeral as well, memorial service, I should say, So I did the same with Whitney Houston funeral because that day I done 3 episodes in one day, okay. So it was different episodes, different titles and stuff, So that was about 10 days after Don Cornelius killed himself, So he's in hell, I mean, like they said, God gonna forgive you for anything except self-murder. Except self-murder, So Tiario know that, So anyway, he knows that when you take your life, you can go to hell, So So Tiario was right when he said that Don Cornelius is in hell, which he really is, you know. My cousin Dwayne is in hell because he killed his girlfriend, or should I say his wife, and he killed himself. That was in 1994 on my 18th birthday, you know, December 94. Okay, so that was a damn shame for him to take his girlfriend's life and take his own life, you know. Left his children without no parents, you know, just because that his girl was going leave him, you know. I mean, some guys don't think, you know. It's very selfish, you know. I mean, I want to tell y'all something. Stop being girl crazy. Stop being so obsessed. You know. That's my word to some of you guys that's totally obsessed with these women and saying, if I can't have you, nobody can. Come on now. Stop saying, if I can't have you, nobody can. Stop thinking, if I can't have you, nobody can. Stop all that, you know. Life is too short. There's plenty of women out there, you know. If no woman don't want you, fine. So be it, you know. Men these days are so desperate over women sometimes, you know. So, oh my Lord. Golly, I'm so tired, you know. So, gotta wait for my wife to get here, you know. Well, I ain't married, you know. So, my girlfriend is coming home in a couple of hours, you know. So technically, she don't really live here, you know. And second of all, she not my girlfriend, you know. Well, not my girlfriend yet, you know. So, if the law say the same, me and her gonna be together. Y'all probably know who I'm talking about, you know. Well, on that note, her sister is a YouTuber, and she subscribed to my channel, you know. So I'm not gonna mention her name, you know. Her sister is a YouTuber. Yep. So I'll call her my sister-in-law, or should I say my future sister-in-law, you know. So her sister, second to the oldest sister, you know. And then her big sister, the oldest sister, she's very sweet, you know. When there was FaceTiming, I told my girl, or should I say my future wife or future girlfriend or whatever, put me on camera so I can say hey to her. So she put me on camera, and she smiled and said hey, you know. Yeah. So she's very sweet, just like her sister, you know. So the mother is sweet too, you know. So on that note, I would talk bad about my brother, you know, but I don't know if I should. Okay. Anything I can't stand is an evil person, you know, like Toya, you know. Bus driver driving Jefferson Parish, you know, drive Jefferson Transit, okay? So she gonna eventually see this, or her boss gonna eventually see this, you know? I ain't gonna stop talking about her until she's fired or stop driving Jefferson Transit, you know? 'Cause like I said, I can't have no negative scumbag ruining people's days, you know. So I hope and pray that she lose her job, you know. I'm not praying for no downfall. I just want her to start working with the public, you know. You can't work with the public with a nasty attitude. I don't care if other passengers or customers or whatever have nasty attitudes. So what? That shit is a part of life, okay? You're gonna come across a lot of people, but she to watch her damn attitude, you know. I mean, Toya Baptiste is nothing but a scumbag, you know. So like my oldest brother B. Early, A.K. Loco, Brandon, whatever the hell his name is, you know. So, I'm sorry to be talking about people like that, you know. It ain't no hate speech or nothing, you know. So, I mean, life is too short for all that negativity, you know. Anything Dominoes 7 can't stand is a negative, boo-hoo, crybaby looking douchebag, you know. That's what Dominoes 7 can't stand, okay? If you're a crybaby douchebag, you're a loser. If you have a nasty attitude, you're a loser, okay? So that's how I feel about people that's always negative, you know. Like my family, my cousin Macy, you know. She's a scumbag too, you know. Because check this out though. She got mad at me because she got fired. She was my brother's caretaker, you know. And I didn't want her in my house, you know. She was just over here just to be nosy and to make money. But she wasn't doing a fabulous job at all. And have her boyfriend involved in our problems, you know. So, my cousin done a lot of people wrong. So, guess what? I banned her from my house. And she's no longer welcome in my house. Her or her mama and some of her siblings. Okay? And then, her youngest brother, her little brother, was going in my wallet, stealing my money when he was over here, you know? So, on a serious side though, stealing my damn money. That's all the hell he was doing, was just stealing my damn money, you know. So, I'm truthfully glad that none of them isn't here because they money hungry. And my oldest brother was stealing my money too, buying all kind of bad stuff and buying stuff for himself, you know, and having his homeboys hanging in my house doing God knows what and stuff like that. So I was trying to put a stop to it. Then the punk tried to take over my house, you know. So thank God I had my aunties to help me out and throw his ass out on the street, you know. Talking about I can't run this house by myself. But guess what? I'm doing it now. So guess what? So he kept saying I'm gonna be on the street and I'm gonna lose my house. And he said that I was gonna lose my house and I'm gonna be under the bridge. But guess what? His stupid ass gonna be under the bridge. He under the fucking bridge right now. You know? So, on the serious side though, don't never mess with Dominoes 7. You heard me? You're gonna wind up in jail or locked up for good or in the institution. You heard me? Because I love seeing stupid people go to prison, you know. So my oldest brother, he had more luck than sense. You hear me? So on that note, that scumbag done a lot of shit, you know. Yep. Wow, I mean, the way I be mean like that, I'm really a nice person, but sometimes I act like Donald Trump when I'm upset, you know. Yeah, Donald Trump talks a lot of smack about people sometimes, you know. So if some of you know who Donald Trump, well, everybody know who Donald Trump is, you know. But I'm really nothing like Donald Trump when except when I say you're fired, you know. So Donald Trump fired a lot of people in his life, you know. So I would say Donald Trump is my march nemesis, you know. Okay. Maybe I would say it, maybe I wouldn't, you know. So on that note, I never was a Donald Trump supporter at all, you know. So when I think about it, well, never mind Donald Trump at this time, you know. Okay. So all right. All that going on in this world. Ever since Donald Trump got in office, the white supremacists coming out doing God knows what, you know. calling us N-words and stuff like that. Golly. I want to tell y'all something. Ain't no white supremacists ain't gonna want to call me out my name, because let me tell y'all something. I'm from the projects. SPP, St. Bernard Project, home of the hardheads, 7 Wall, you heard me? Okay? I could be ghetto, you heard me? Any white supremacists piss me off, I'll bring the ghetto out of me, you heard me? So like I said, I'm from the St. Bernard, and I know a lot of people, especially gangsters, you heard me? I'm not cool with no gangsters, you heard me? So hey, pick with me. Guess what? I got backup, I got connections, you heard me? Alright. So, anybody that's arrogant and despicable, my worst enemy, you know? My worst damn enemy, that's all the hell I can say, you know? Don't like you, don't like me, I don't like you either, you heard me? That's how Dominoes 7 roll, you heard me? You hate me, I'm glad you hate me, you heard me? That's how I feel, you heard me? You don't have to like Dominoes 7, you heard me? You don't have to, cause hey, I'm a nice guy, come on. You don't like me, I don't need you, you heard me? So hey, it's part of life, you dig? Alright. I expect strangers to mess over me. I didn't expect family to mess over me. I really didn't expect that. Let me plug my phone up and charge it, you know. Alright, it's charging. Alright, that's it. Bye-bye.